When we think of the many things that set mankind apart from the natural world, the human relationship with food is perhaps the most significant. Humans do not simply eat out of instinct like all the other species do. Food represents love, memories, places, and times. Food is cultural identity and connection in one. There is a strong feeling of belonging to a place known for a specific food. And then food migrates with us and adapts to merge with the new culture. Food is creation for the eye and for the heart. Food has the ability to gather people together, brings joy, sparks debates, laughs, jokes, sayings, and old stories. There is only one other thing which identifies who we are, where we come from, and the history of our people. Language. And this is what we try to do. When you are with Italians, do as the Italians do.